and welcome back to my channel, Victoria's Creations. In this video, I want to show you guys how to make two things because they're super easy and quick. The first thing you're going to see in the video is this little tunnel tube for your small animal that you can hang on the top of your cage or you can place in the bottom of the cage. The second thing you're going to see in the video is a snuggle sack, which again, you can hang it in the cage or you can place it, or if you even want, you can string something through these and carry it on your side with you if you want to keep your little buddy with you throughout the day. So let's jump right into the video and I will show you how to make these two awesome cage accessories. For this project, you will need 2 pieces of fabric. I'm using an anti-pill fleece and a cotton. Just know if you use cotton, it does fray. So if you have an animal that chews, you may want to just use anti-pill fleece. And then some string to hang it. This is 50 feet. I got it for $4 at Home Depot. So you can do that. And then I will show you how to put this together. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to place your right sides together and smooth it out, and then you are going to stitch across your long side. So if you did it like mine, it's 19 by 17. I'm going to do a stitch on both of my sides that measure 19. So let me get that stitch and I'll show you what to do next. You have your sides stitched, you're going to inside it out, and then here's where we're gonna use our cord. So I measure mine about a ruler's length. If you buy it from Home Depot, it has these little white things in it. You can just pull them out so that those don't fray on you and throw them in the garbage. So I have my 2 cords, and then I'm going to turn this so my raw edges are on the bottom, and then whatever side you want on the outside, you want to be folded in. So you're just going to fold it in half. And then your little pieces of yarn, you're going to put on the inside like this for when you sew. You want to make sure you put them more towards the middle than the side because this is going to be folded. And then all you're going to do is to stitch across here. So let me get that done. Once you've stitched across, you can trim this if you want. I like to trim it because I don't like these being on the inside when I turn it. Then all you're going to do is turn it right side out again. So you'll have something that looks like this. And then I just like to fold it a little bit to give it a cute little two-tone color look. And there you have your tube that you can now hang anywhere in your cage. For the snuggle sack, all you are going to need is 2 pieces of fabric. I have some anti-pill fleece and some cotton. Cut 12 by 20, but you can move around with the sizes. This is going to be a pretty decent size for a larger animal. And if you have an animal that chews for your fabric, you're going to want to avoid any cotton or flannel. You're going to want to just go with pill fleece. So the first thing you're going to do on this is you're just going to stitch down the shorter sides, the sides that are measured 12 inches. So I'm going to stitch down both of those, and I'm going to show you what that looks like, so hang on a moment. So make sure when you start sewing that you have right sides together, because we're going to be flipping it in a moment. So let me show you what the stitching looks like. we're just going to trim off our excess here. Make sure you do not cut over your stitching. Now right side it out. And then you're just going to take your sides that have the hem, not the raw edge, and fold it in half and line those sides up. And you want the side that's going to be on the inside to be on the outside. So my fleece is going to be on the inside when it's done. So when I'm sewing it, my fleece is on the outside. So I've lined these up, and now you're just going to stitch down the raw edges. Here, if you want to add a loop, you can do that with some cord. And I'm going to do that. So I'm going to cut about 12 inches of cord, 2 pieces. I'm just going to add it into here. So now that you have that, you're going to trim off your excess again. Don't cut over your stitching. Now right side it out and push your corners out. And there you have a little snuggle sack that you can hang or just place in the bottom of the cage. Okay, so there you have the snuggle tunnel and the snuggle sack. I hope these were easy for you to make. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments, and stay tuned for more awesome videos to come. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.